Hi friends, let's learn ribbon exercise, how to create a ribbon pendant. So let's first go to picture and bring your downloaded image. Type in 0, enter, so it will come from its corner will come from start point, and you can specify your height and width. You can also specify scale, and you can also make suppose I want to create this as a 20 mm height, so just create 20 mm height. So from 0 to 20, okay, turn on ortho mode and type in 20 mm and just click upper side. Oh, this is my dimension. So this is overall length is overall 20 mm, but I need this ribbon as a 20. So to create a to start a line, type in line command and specify length 20 and click upper side. Okay, then scale the image and bring it over the line. So right now it's perfectly matching near about 20. So you can also change the scale later. Then select your image, go to layer option and move image to some proper layer. So this is the option, change layer, and type in image and then lock it. Okay, moreover you can also do one thing. You can select image and then go to properties, and here is the material. So go to material and change transparency. So this is the transparency. You can reduce the transparency as per requirement, so it won't disturb you while you are creating drawing. Okay, select line and the dimension and move them to another layer and hide them. Now suppose I want to create this ribbon. So first we are going to make line work, and using that line work we are applying surface, and after applying surface we can convert into 3D object. Okay, so right now I can use these options: control point curve, then second is control curve through points, and third is the curve interpolate points. For this second option, curve through points, I need to create points, but right now I'm just using this curve interpolate points. So you have to just use your imagination that this curve is going through bottom side. So I will first create this bottom curve. Okay, so specify proper center point, turn off ortho mode, so you can adjust your points. Okay, your turning should be in proper way. You can also change it later to set your control points. Okay, to after selecting curve, turn on control points and then adjust them to set the smoothness. Okay, we will also have the option smoothness as for smooth command. Okay, now I'm just using another curve which will go through upper side. So let's create. Okay, we will trim it later. Okay, so I am going to start from here. To create this type of ribbons where the upper portion is turning over the bottom section, so we need to use our imagination. Without imagination it won't help you properly. So after knowing commands, imagination also works here. So after practicing this type of few objects, you will be able to create such kind of designs. Okay, you can adjust again control points to set the smoothness. Okay, smoothness is depend on your practicing skills, so keep practicing again and again. Then you will able to create the curves. Okay, so right now I will adjust my height. Okay, click on this arrow, specify 2.5 height, and then I will apply line as a cross section, and this will become my cross section. Okay, this is one of my clients order, so I am creating for them. Now I'm going to use sweep to command and select both the main rail curves. Then it is asking, these are the two main guide rails, and then it will ask automatically for cross section, so you have to select then cross section. No need to specify enter in between. Okay, then click enter and click OK. So this is my first surface. Now surface tool is assistant of solid modeling. So I have created surface. Now I need to convert them into solid. So first command is offset surface. So offset surface will ask for distance. So this is a thickness, and it should not go inside. I need it outside because here turning is little bit more faster. Okay, so let's flip them outside and specify 0.9 or 1.1, then enter. So it will create a 3D model. Okay, this is fine. Okay, I'm just bring my image little bit downward. Okay, then lock it again. Okay, so it won't make any error again. Okay, you can also do another thing. You can also create, see, this is okay, this is solid model, and this will create a proper solid model. But in case if error comes, you can create this curve, this curve, this curve, and this curve again, and use another tools as well. So there are no only sweep to command is there. There are too many another tools which can help us for proper shape modeling. Okay, so now go to looking down option and create a line. So to trim the extra object, so select your line, click on trim command, then click directly whatever you want to trim. So this works in this way. Select the model and type in mirror command, and first click and second click, this will become the mirror object, and then select them and use union option. Okay, so now select the model and see it's open poly surface. So go back, let's do undo. Okay, so when we have done trim tool, it becomes open, so we need to close it, but here we have the surface, so this is not properly trimmed. So again go to undo command and select our line. I have just done undo multiple time and use proper scale. Now we need exactly looking down, and I have just bring this little bit inside. I have bring line little bit inside. Now select the line, trim tool, and directly click on the object you want to trim. Now go to perspective and check it's okay. Yeah, that's fine. Now apply cap command. Cap will add the surface to convert into the closed poly surface. Now go to looking down and type in mirror command. So you need to specify mirror plane exactly from the middle. Okay, now go to shaded view from this menu and make sure it is going in a proper way. Then select both the sides and convert into union. So now this becomes single closed poly surface. So this is perfectly what we want. We can also adjust scale. We can also use sketch edit and too many other tools to make it in a proper way. So suppose if I want also little bit more curvy, so you can use sketch edit option. Select the bounding box, vault, and the point cloud of 4 number of points. Done. Now select this both the sides and scale them. You can also select this top and scale them. So now this is fine. Now this is the perfect ribbon. You need to add okay, hide this sketch. We need to add we need to define torus. So first click, then specify radius. So 1.5 is the radius, and now it's asking for inside means thickness of the torus. So let's specify 0.35 or 0.38, and this will become torus where chain will pass through, and you can also rotate 90 degree. So chain will pass through this torus. Okay, just adjust the height, size as per your chain size. So inner space is very important. Okay, so this is fine. Thank you.